What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this RAVPower FileHub wireless router. This FileHub is typically used to add extra wireless storage to your mobile phone as well as the tablet where you have a very limited amount of space, and adding an extra space in your mobile phone could be costly as well, and sometimes it's not even possible. This FileHub also helps you to transfer data on a one click of a button, data from micro SD card using this RAVPower hub straight on your hard drive without involving any mobile phone or a computer. Well, think about it. If you are on a long trip of your life, you don't need to carry an extra tablet or extra computer to transfer the data between your cameras straight onto your hard drive. But that's not it. You can also use this RAVPower FileHub as a wireless travel router with the functionality of router mode, bridge mode, as well as AP mode as well. And at the same time, you can connect up till 5 wireless devices with it and make this FileHub work as a portable DLNA media server. Come with dual band Wi-Fi, so speed isn't an issue, and also have a functionality of a power bank with the 6700 milliampere hour battery life, so you can charge twice any standard mobile phone in the market today. This RAVPower FileHub WD009 latest model come with only few things with it in a package, starting with one micro USB cable, one typical English user guide, and RAVPower FileHub. Now on top of unit you have indicator lights, starting with the first one, which is for the internet connection, then the Wi-Fi radio signal. One is for the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and second one for 5G. Next to it we have a SD card indicator light and a power battery life, where on the right side of the device you have a power on and off button. You need to keep hold of it for a couple of seconds to power it up. Once it's flashing, you let it go. Now on the left hand side of the device you have a button to select 2.4 or 5G of Wi-Fi network, SD card slot to support up to 128 gigabyte of micro SD card, and a SD card to USB transfer button. If you hold it for 5 seconds, it will transfer all the data from your micro SD card or SD card straight into your USB drive. Now on the top of FileHub you have a one standard 2.0 USB port to connect the hard drive or a flash drive, one standard micro USB port for the charging, factory restore button. If you hold it up till 10 seconds, it will restore the whole unit to factory default settings, Ethernet connector to use this FileHub in AP mode, convert your wired internet network into the wireless. Now just before going ahead with the performance test, we need to install the application which will help us to access this RAVPower FileHub using our mobile phone. Application is available for Android as well as for iOS user, but for this video we'll be using Android mobile phone. Open up Google Play Store and search for the RAVPower FileHub. In here you're going to see the first application, which is called RAVFileHub by Nearby Express Technology. Install that one. Once application is successfully installed, open it up from there and allow. It will be asking for a few accesses. Now we need to create a connection between FileHub and your mobile phone using the Wi-Fi. So let's power it up. Once FileHub is powered up successfully and you're going to see solid lights on it like this Wi-Fi light, this means it's ready to pair up with your mobile phone. Now on your RAVPower FileHub app, click on to connect. And you're going to see the RAVPower FileHub within your Wi-Fi networks. Open it up and enter the password. The default password is available in your user manual, which is 8 times 1. And click connect. Now once you're successfully connected, it'll go back on your RAVPower application. Now using this RAVPower FileHub application, you can also change the password for your Wi-Fi and also enter all the information to connect this RAVPower FileHub with the internet as well. Let me show you how. So first thing you gotta do in the application, click onto the system cog button and go down into the RAVFileHub settings. In here, you're going to see the internet settings. Once you go in there, now you need to give him a credential for the Wi-Fi which will be connected with this FileHub. Now we need to select a Wi-Fi network from here and type in its credentials. Now once your RAVPower successfully connected with internet using the application, you're going to see illuminated global sign. Now what you will notice that you will have internet access on your RAVPower FileHub automatically. Now to change the settings in your RAVPower FileHub, go into the system cog button and RAVPower file setting, where you got access for the LAN, internet settings, Wi-Fi settings, Wi-Fi settings of 5G, and a system settings as well, where you can change the user administration, host name, which is FileHub name itself. You can put your own name on it if you want to, and that makes it much easier. So this is a basic overview of this FileHub settings. Now the main part. Now let's connect the SD card, which is 128 gigabytes. When you connect your SD card with this RAVPower FileHub, you're going to see the SD card illuminated light on it, and within the application you're going to see the memory of your SD card as well as how much is available on it. Now if you'd like to access what is in there, click onto the file manager, and there we go. Now you are in your RAVPower, and if you like to copy the information from your SD card, let's suppose I got some videos in there. Okay, I would like to copy this one, copy to, and I can select into my local drive, which is my mobile phone, straight away without any problem, or from my mobile phone straight into the SD card as well, by just simply creating a new folder or pasting it right in there. Now let me go other way around as well, just to show you that how easy it is, where first I'll be going into the local drive of my mobile phone, and here as you can see I got a lot of pictures, so I can select any one of them. Okay, I can select them and copy to straight into the SD card, and that's the only place you can go now. Add to, and you can create a folder, just write a name on it, mobile. I'm going paste and paste in here. See, that's how easy and straightforward it is to copy the data from your mobile phone straight into the SD card, which is in RAVPower. Now I have got a 1 terabyte hard drive in here, which I will be connecting on the USB port in here. Now to copy all the data I have got on this SD card straight into the hard drive is possible using the press of one button. You should see that now. If I hold it for 5 seconds, you're going to see this flashing SD card light. That means the data has started transferring. Once this flashy light becomes solid, that means the data is fully transferred. And whatever is happening on the RAVPower FileHub unit itself, you're going to see on the app as well. Right here you can see the SD card is turning around. That means it's working on SD card. So now the backing up process is completed, and on your FileHub application you can also access the SD card as well as your hard drive as well. Now if you'd like to see what we have inside the hard drive, if you click onto the file manager, and here you're going to see the SD card as well as the USB disk. Go in there, you're going to see the option and folder for SD card backup, and it will keep creating a folder in your hard drive with the date and the time every time when you do the backup. There we go. Now here we have all the backup which we downloaded. So here you go, you can see straight away everything. You can play a video actually straight away as well if you want to, guys. It just works great, no problem whatsoever. Now to back that, when I said in the beginning that you can have an external hard drive to your mobile phone by using this FileHub application as well. Now we have got a 1 terabyte hard drive which is connected to our mobile, as well as a SD card as well, which is about 128 gigabytes. Now if you'd like to copy all the data like photos from your mobile phone straight into your hard drive or onto the SD card which is connected on this RAVPower, simply by pressing this backup button, select the photo you wanted to copy in, or album, or straight everything you wanted to have, but press of a one button you can do that too. Okay, there you go, straight away started happening. You just need to press one button, everything start to happen. Now it's not necessary that you have to have an application to access your RAVPower FileHub. You can access it on your computer using your internet browser. The only thing which you need to make sure that this RAVPower is connected with your computer by using the Wi-Fi or the wired connection using the provided LAN port. Now let me simulate you here, what you're going to do actually, open up your internet browser, where you need to type in the IP address, which is by default is 10.10.10.254. Go for it. And there we go. Now you'll be straight away log into the RAVPower FileHub administration page. Enter your admin password. Now admin password by default is empty. You can create your password as well within the RAVPower application. Now right in here you can access everything which you have an access using the application. Now within the home page, if you click onto Explorer, you're going to see SD card as well as the USB stick drive actually in it. Going to the SD card, you're going to see all the contents of the SD card available in here. Go there, and if you like to download something, by selecting it you can go ahead and copy it back into the hard drive if you want to. You can also access the settings of your file hub as well, where you have option for the information, user, network, services. And services are more or less like a WinFile Simba server if you would like to enable it, or the DLNA server, which is the media server. So technically you can use this file hub and share videos between 5 different people who are you accessing the same Wi-Fi network. So it will be like a media server. If you are abroad or you are camping or something, everybody can access the data and copy data into one place. Technically app and the home page work the same way. It's just the options here and there different. That's about it. Now to power off this file hub, you need to press and hold the power on off button, and you're going to see the flashing battery light. Once it goes off, it's all powered off. Now there are a few things which I noticed that everybody can get confused, that this RAVPower file hub can work as a power bank as well, but you need to put in a mode of power bank by just simply using the USB port, obviously connecting your mobile phone. And to run it as a power bank mode, you just press this button, let it go. You're going to see the battery sign illuminating, and it'll straight away start charging your mobile phone as well. If you'd like to turn it off, just press do it again, that will be off. So guys, now it's time for the conclusion, that what I think about this RAVPower file hub. I've seen every possible working of this file hub apart from 5G Wi-Fi, which I'm not really bothered, to be honest with you, because I'm using this device as a backup device and it's working great as well, and it's a part of my travel kit where I back up my GoPro camera as well as the mobile straight onto my hard drives without worrying about anything. So if you are interested in purchasing one of this product, link is available in the video description for you guys. And if you got any more questions about it, I'm open towards the comments as well. So why not hit them in the comment section below and let me know what you think about my video as well. So on that note guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.